need to do to make sure the boat is ready for the electricians and the mechanics to work on it as efficiently as possible on Tuesday. First thing I'm going to do is take out all of the DC lights and fans that I put in like a couple months ago. It absolutely kills me. I put them in, I know how to take them out. It saves me time, saves me money. The other thing I need to do is get both the air cons working. Not that they're not working. The sump pumps for the air cons that pump the water out when you pull it out of the air are not working because they get fried. I watch it all the time. And like, I can't ask them to work in 100-degree heat. I am, like, I don't know if you can see how sweaty I am. It's 10 a.m. So I know that people work better and more efficiently and they're happier when it's cold. So my project for tomorrow is to get the air cons running, put the bilge pumps alarms back in so I can keep an ear on them. And I have a Bluetooth where it's set up to my phone, that I'm going to set that up. And just make sure that the boat is cool for them on Tuesday morning when they come in so they can work as fast as possible. The other, I'm going to show you how pretty it looks out. Good paddleboarding day outside because it's September, so instead of being insanely hot, it's just crazy hot. This ready for Tuesday, and I'm really glad that the weather's cooperating too.